Hey everyone, James Ship here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join the Videomaster platform using your wallet. It's quick, it's easy, so let's get started. First things first, head over to Videomaster at videomaster.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in button and click on it. Here you have a few options. You can use your email, Google, or you can simply connect your wallet. For this example, I'm going to be using my Leap wallet. But for other wallets, it's basically the same process. If you decide to sign up with an email, all you have to do is enter a code to confirm. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your wallet. Confirm and sign to allow Videomaster to connect to your wallet. And bam, just like that, you're connected to Videomaster and you're free to experience all of the amazing content they have to offer. So what are you waiting for? Go to videomaster.com, check out all their amazing content. They have some incredible creators and tons of free content. Peace.